Hey guys, thanks for tuning to the channel. Click like and subscribe, and also follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks again.
Hey Bobby.
What's up, dude?
What you got, man?
Hey, look, we got the e-flite F-15, and this time we got the GPS tucked inside, right?
Yeah.
Super duper tight.
We're gonna do this thing on it here.
Yeah. I felt like we didn't get a good, measure of the speed last time. We did it with the radar gun, but we couldn't fit the GPS in there. Well, now we crammed the GPS in there, and we're gonna see exactly what it's doing. It doesn't seem very fast, but it doesn't seem very slow either. And also, now that we got the Spektrum 100C Lipos in there, I imagine it's gonna be fairly decent. So, without further ado, what do you think we're gonna do, Jeff?
You're gonna limp wrist it.
I'm gonna limp wrist this thing like Jeff did that
what was it, Flash?
Yeah, the Flash. But
hey, look.
And Jeff's.
I could see my bright self in your sunglasses.
In fairness of Jeff, that thing had a propeller in the back that would slice and dice him off. All right, let's do it. Take it on. Nice. Dude, this thing is so nice and stable. Let's trim it out just a tad bit. Got 3 minutes on the clock. All right, Jeff, you ready?
Not really, but yeah, let's do it.
All right. Should we do a high-speed dive? Let's do a high-speed dive first. Screw it. You ready? Coming in.
Wow, 91.
91 miles an hour. Jeez. That's crazy. And look, I was really shallow with that. All right, so you ready? Let's do a high-speed slight dive. Slight dive. It probably was right, but let's do 50% throttle. This little 2200 4-cell in there actually was doing really good. I flew it earlier for 30 minutes and we saw 41% left. All right, this is 50% throttle.
71.
71. Nice. I honestly believe this airplane, the Lipos make this thing. All right. Full throttle? Flat and level? What do you think?
Let's do it.
Coming straight at you, Bo. Full throttle.
'81.
81. All right. And we'll do one more high-speed dive, right?
Sure.
This I'm gonna put it on high rates on the elevator. Coming around.
$103.
103. Yeah, that thing was cooking. I mean, honestly. All right, and because we've got the GPS in there, let's just get silly. We're going way up. We're going way up. All right, you ready, Jeff? You can't even see that, buddy. Here you go, full throttle.
Ooh.
Nice.
What'd you think that registered on the GPS?
Fast. Over 100. All right. And look, we're gonna come in really slow. Let's do a quarter throttle. Quarter throttle. Ready?
45.
45. It's just a great flying airplane, man, for its size. All right, we're gonna set up for a landing. We're flying around nice and low. Check it out. All right, and she's down.
Take that walk of shame.
No shame. So.
Leprechaun kick.
Hey, man. Oh. Yeah. It's hard to do with short legs. All right. So we got it down one piece. That was pretty crazy on the dive there. This was probably one of the better speed trials that we actually got a chance to do. How fast you think it did, Jeff?
108.
108. I'm gonna say 120. You ready? Now we have to be careful not to hit any buttons on this thing like I've done in the past. It stopped working, it went off.
Bobby.
Dude, we must have hit the button. We gotta do that again.
We involved in this.
We're doing that again. It's gotta go up again. We got a fresh battery over there. No, I can't have that. We can't have that. We're doing. Hear that sound? I've never heard that thing sound like that before. All right, Jeff. Going up for GPS speeds. Got the GPS in there. All right. We're gonna get it up a little higher.
Yeah, I think you can go faster than that, Bobby.
Oh yeah. I think we're at the geofence right there. Yep. All right, here we go. I hope it doesn't destroy itself. Good grief. Did you see that? Man, that's fast. All right, we're gonna bring it in. What do you think? That's pretty quick, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna bring it in. I love watching these things come in.
So you gonna walk that far?
No, man. You know me. There we go. All right, Jeff. Okay.
You don't sound as excited as you were last time.
Very excited because I know that this thing went faster than last time because I put that thing in a serious dive. You ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Gingerly pulling it out.
Don't hit the power button.
Don't hit the power button. Holy cow. What do you think?
112.
What do you think? 116 miles an hour. Dude, that's cooking. That is
great.
fast. And we were running the what is it, Spektrum 100C 4S, man. Thing's cooking, dude. There you go. The proof is in the pudding. Speed trial done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Jeff, what you got?
Oh,
Are you surprised, man?
Yeah, that little thing's quick.
Dude, that's fast.
Little thing's
That is
quick.
fast. All right, there we go. Boom.